Okay, yes, thank you my my viewers. Thank you my viewers. I'm here with one of my students called Peace Kwagala Senyonga. So she's doing a lesson in videography. So I teach her videography, I teach her editing, and very soon I think she's going to be making some video productions. So just please like her work, and I know she's one good learner who easily understands what you teach her, and I like her so much. Can you say something?
So, viewers, I send these greetings to you. I'm Kwagala Peace. This is my master. I love him so much. I've learned actually many things, and I've gained so much. So, if you are there, you want to join us,
Just come.
just come and join. I've
Wow.
joined. I've got benefits. Oh, many of them. So I'm now enjoying.
Wow, wow, wow.
So
And-
thank you.
Wow. Anyway, she's one good person. She's jolly, she's interesting, and she's friendly. That's what I love about her. So we do lessons in music. She's a good musician. I think
Yes.
we are going to be shooting some of your videos. We are going to be shooting some movies with her, and she's going to be like my workmate because we are going to be getting deals and work together. So we love you. Bye bye.